At Rockwell Automation, we understand the increasing demands to improve operational engineering efficiencies, surpass key performance indicators, and the daily challenges that you face. With a TechConnect support contract, you have fewer downtime events, faster problem resolution, and decreased risks of security breaches. Your operations are only as strong as the support teams you have in place to keep them running. Unfortunately, many in-house maintenance and support teams are struggling to keep up. TechConnect can augment your internal teams to help solve these challenges, while also pushing your equipment to its highest possible performance levels. It is easy to keep up with the pace of software change when you have a TechConnect support contract. You will receive email alerts notifying you of any software updates, along with links to knowledge base. Patch and harden your systems to help prevent malware outbreaks. And if you cannot help prevent it, then make sure that you are prepared to restore critical product systems from a backup. Staying up to date with software downloads and being prepared could mean the difference between being up and running and having to rebuild your systems. Our omni-channel TechConnect support offerings include phone, chat, submit a question, forums, and our comprehensive knowledge base. With over 2,000 calls received a day in over 20 languages, our engineers are prepared for your call. Our global team of over 450 engineers in 15 support centers across the globe are available 24/7. Call wait times average 1 minute and 33 seconds, and 75% of these issues are resolved by the first engineer you speak with. Not only are our engineers experienced with Rockwell Automation and third-party products, but they are continuously rated on how well they resolved your problems. Even though the results of these surveys indicate a 98% customer satisfaction rating, our engineers continue to train and to improve their skill set so that we can maintain and increase your satisfaction rate. For on-demand support services, check out our online support center, which is viewed more than 5.4 million times a year. This includes knowledge base, chat access, forums, submit a question, access your welcome kit information, and manage your service ticket history. We also offer system-level support for your complex problems that need real-time phone support from a group of senior engineers. Our efficient workflows and knowledge-based professionals get your equipment back up and running as quickly as possible. They even call back to make sure that your issue was resolved and that you are back to running smoothly. How do you keep up with the influx of new technologies and great complexity? Do you have a shortage of skilled workers? How do you manage rising industrial maintenance costs? Rockwell Automation services are built around achieving specific business outcomes. With our comprehensive support services, we also offer a designated off-site team, which acts as an extension of your team to help you recognize and react to trends, assist with off-shift hours, maintain facility knowledge, and more. Our remote monitoring and analytics services can help you track and optimize your asset performance. Rockwell Automation engineers take the lead on monitoring your systems and alert your on-site staff if operations fall outside of predefined parameters to address issues before they become downtime events. Need help optimizing or designing your new machine? Our engineers can also assist you with your new system designs. Knowledge is power. With ROI reporting features, Rockwell Automation is able to define which KPIs were met and which still need to be corrected. These ROI reports can help you optimize your plants, predict failures, and understand your most critical assets. Finally, our surveillance and alarming features allow you to quickly recognize and respond to issues while avoiding downtime. For more information on these TechConnect features or about how we can help you solve your unique business challenges, contact your local authorized Allen Bradley distributor or Rockwell Automation sales office.